Hi guys, this is Gokul from Independent Scientist. You have seen my Tamil videos. It is my one of the channel like English videos uploading like that. I have recently ordered this Boat Symphony Bluetooth speaker. It is a best Bluetooth speaker under 5000 because it have a best bass experience and separate 10 watts Bluetooth stereo itself. Okay, we can assume it as a 2.1 home theater itself because it providing more bass comparatively the home speaker. The price is okay, the quality of the speaker is also okay, the specifications is also good, no issues. I have feeling that one is the RGB is the main killer of this speaker because it absorb more power for this speaker because it's reduce 1 hour approximately without RGB play up to 5 hours. With RGB it reduce 1 hour of playback, so kindly turn off the RGB while playing the speaker. Then it takes up to 4 hours to charge the complete speaker. If once charged you can able to play itself as 5 hours. It is a best option, I think so. It is a portable one. So the 20-watt speaker itself, we go for a home theater itself 3000 to 4000. There is a huge home theaters available. Why you need to buy this 4000 portable Bluetooth speaker means it is a portable one. You can able to charge itself, but in home theater you can't. So the price range is okay, not an issue. The warranty is also good for 1 year. You can able to claim it anytime if there is any issue in the speaker. So that is a not a huge one problem recommended to the speaker. It is a good one, no issues, perfect one. But I have a suggestion, kindly buy it through Boat store. Okay, Boat store, Boat online store or Amazon, Flipkart. Comparatively their prices I have attached 3 links in description, so kindly visit there, compare the price of those speakers, then finalize your e-commerce platform. So because in Boat store it's around 4000, in Amazon 4500, in Flipkart it's around 5000. Kindly compare those prices and buy through the links in description. So thank you. Now itself I have to test the bass of this speaker. So now I'm playing the song Ti Talabati from Tamil song. Bass. Wow. Huge bass and sound provided in this speaker. The best way to buy a smart speaker or a portable speaker under 5000, it is a great one and a portable one. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you will enjoy this video. I'm little bit in English, but I think I will understand you too about this speaker. I hope you have subscribed and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Kindly like this video if you have enjoyed this one. And is there any doubt, kindly ask it below and share your experience if you are using this speaker for past days. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Peace out.